Hi, Stephanie. Hi, Grace. This is Jackie, the library director. Stephanie, I know you. You know me. I mean, we get to see each other once a year or so. Grace, I'm sorry, I don't think we've met. If we have, I'm really sorry. I don't remember. So, as you read in my email, we now have access to CINAHL full text. Yay! That is the version where it's 12 simultaneous users at once. Oh, it's just a matter of calling your tech help if we want to update that for a day. Like, say we're going to go do a demo with a class and we want all students to have access to the computer lab. We can do that. But for now, I think this is worth trying. And I don't know if we can find money at some point to pay the extra bit to, change that so everybody has access. So starting from our library homepage, the default is books and media. We're going to actually click on e-resources. We just got the direct link, like just this morning, so we will add it to this, alphabetical list shortly. But in the meantime, in case you or your student, you all have access to Heal Law, of course, so you have access to CINAHL. But if your students, I don't know if they're eager beavers, don't think they'll get lost, want to start with EBSCO right away, I want to show you how to get there. I did also want to mention that a student in the nursing club was in my office last week, and we were doing some research together, and I mentioned this tool and that we'd be getting, and she thought the nursing club might be a good place to connect with students on their time to show them how to, do some initial searching in CINAHL. And Stephanie, any time I can easily record it or make a tutorial like this for your students. You can embed it in Canvas, you can just give it to them, so if they are at home, it's Saturday, and they want some 30 tutorial to review, I can do some more in-depth reviews, like a few short ones, one on basic searching, one on advanced searching, one on using mesh subject terms, and that sort of thing. So anyway, I just clicked on EBSCO, as you saw, and so now, since we don't have a direct link yet, you'd have to choose databases by subject. And it's easier to unselect everything. It's actually living in a couple different places. It's living in health sciences, life sciences, and psychosocial databases. There's several databases, so at this point they wouldn't just be searching CINAHL at this point, and we'll try to extract that out. In this case, as you can, you can't see because I don't have the screen recorder here. Sorry. Sorry. Audience awareness there. You'll see that if they click this box, they're going to be searching not only CINAHL, but Health Source, the Nursing Academic Edition, Medline, and that sort of thing. And if they just click OK, that will get them to the search. If they find themselves wanting to filter from the get-go in any sort of way, there's some filters up front for the different databases. It's kind of messy at this point, and CINAHL's down here. And, of course, CINAHL then would let you first author as a nurse. Right, that's one thing that we were looking at having for that assignment, a nursing journal. Well, now you can look and see, is there a nurse either as a first author anywhere in that process? How awesome is that? And of course, we can start looking into all of that at some point. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And once we find just a CINAHL only interface, they'll just even be a little bit easier. So short video, I just wanted to show you how to get to it. We can definitely go in more in depth, but I'm just really excited to share that we have this now for our nursing students. Yay! And hopefully I'll be able to connect with them to, as they want, to use this database. I have to admit, since we haven't had CINAHL here, I haven't used it for the year and a half I've been here, so I'm going to update myself as well, see if anything's changed, but I think your students will really find this beneficial now and really for the rest of their career. This is such a preparatory tool for them. All right, nice talking with you both, and take care.